Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on a Nissan Armada. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your Armada is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. Then, carefully lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and damaging the glass. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the entire old blade assembly down and off the J-hook style arm. It should detach with a gentle pull. Remember to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any sudden impacts. Finally, let's test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid to ensure the new blades clear the glass smoothly and quietly. Regularly check your wiper blades for any signs of wear, like streaking or chattering, to ensure optimal visibility in all weather conditions. For an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.